Hello, fourth graders. Last video, we focused on analyzing questions and locating answers within our informational text. We also focused on studying the picture features in our informational text. Remember, we asked questions about our selections and then read the text to find the answer. Today, we are going to focus on one skill, describing how information on the same subtopic in various texts is organized. Here to help us with the definitions are Asia and Seely.
Describing how information on the same subtopic as various texts and organized is easier than it sounds. All you have to do is retrieve several different books on the same topics and compare them.
More than likely, these books will have the same information, but that information will be organized differently in each book. We are going to look at several different books and see how the information is organized.
Now let's see an example of this skill at work. Here are Maddie and Lydia to help us demonstrate.
Here we have two different books on the Titanic, Book A and Book B. We will be flipping open to the table of contents to see how each other authors organize the information about the Titanic.
Let's look at these two books, Book A and Book B. Book A's table of contents only gives information about the Titanic and its background. Book B gives information about the Titanic but also includes information about other ships.
Now that we've compared our two texts, we need to determine what the important information is and what is not as important. If we look at the two table of contents, we can see how the two authors' information is organized differently. There will be some information in one text that is not included in another text. It is our job to determine whether this important information to have in our own informational writing or not. If both authors have the same information, then we know that information is important and should most likely include it in our own informational writing. All right, fourth graders. That was just a short little lesson, but important nonetheless. Hopefully you will find this skill useful as you begin your own research on your own informational texts. Good luck and happy teaching!